How to change the language in Microsoft PowerPoint. In this video, I will show you how can you easily change the language in PowerPoint. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, firstly open Microsoft PowerPoint in your device. After that, you will need to go to the File menu from the Home. When you click on File menu, below you will see the option of Options under the Help category. Click on it and then you will see the language option. After you click on it, you can see the English default has been installed for our Microsoft PowerPoint. Now if you want to choose it, click on the drop down menu beside the Add Additional Editing Language and you can choose any language which you want. There are a lot of languages. Now below we see a lot of options like display language. Here match Microsoft Windows default has been set. We can set it to English. And help language can also be set to language. After that, when you are done with the setting, click on set as default. And below we have one more option, that is set your screen tip language. Here we have by default provided us French and Spanish. After you choose your desirable language, click on OK. And that's all. That is how easily you can change language in Microsoft PowerPoint. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.